Good evening, student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, lesson number 2 of the second semester. This is the reproduction in plants and animals. Okay, in this chapter, we will go through the type of reproduction in plants and animals. So, what is reproduction basically? Reproduction, it is the biological process by which existing organisms give rise to their offsprings to propagate their species. It means reproduction is the phenomena in which is the biological process by which one organism give birth, give rise to the offspring, to their young ones of their own kind, and this continue their species. Okay, the reason that the all the organisms on the earth have definite period of life, so they grow for the certain period of time, and then after that they perish. So before the death, the plant and animal produce individuals like themselves in order to continue the species. The process by which species continues is called the reproduction. So before the death, they just make sure it they give birth to their young ones, so their species will not perish. They will be, the species will be exist on the on the earth. There the type of reproduction, the sexual and asexual reproduction. There are two type of reproductions are there. Now we are going to start the type of reproduction, that is the asexual type of reproduction. This method of reproduction involves a single parent. There will be only a single parent, you have to remember that, which give rise to a new individual. It produce new individual. So this method of reproduction involve the single parents only. No, the male and female parents are needed. Only single parent needed. It produce a new offsprings of their own kind of species. Asexual, there are many type of asexual reproductions: binary fission, okay, budding, fragmentation, regeneration, spore formation, vegetative propagation. They are the type of asexual reproduction in the case of plants. So first of all, we are going to start with the binary fission. Binary fission, this kind of reproduction basically is performed in the case of these small organisms, okay, small and lower organisms. This kind of reproduction, small and lower organisms such as bacteria, paramecium, and blue green algae reproduce. The blue green algae reproduce through this type of binary fission. Binary means two and fission means splitting. Here, after the splitting of one single cell, the two daughter cells are produced. Binary means two, and fission means split. So single cell split into the two daughter cells. So this is the method very common in the lower organism or single celled organism like amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. So it is common method in the case of bacteria also. Okay, so what happened here, the nucleus was split into the two and leads to the splitting up of the whole cell, which finally form identical twin cells called the daughter cells. Basically they produce daughter cell, two daughter cells. So this kind of I'm just going to show you the kind of reproduction, this kind of reproduction. Here, students, you just clearly see this is a single cell of bacteria, and it mature inside, it grow inside, and then the nucleus start dividing. First the nucleus divide, then the cytoplasma start divide, okay, and it produce two daughter cells, identical daughter cells. So this kind of division is called the binary fission basically. So this is the type of binary fission. Okay, in algae such as chlamydomonas, Chlamydomon is a type of algae. Then here another type of binary fission take place. One single cell divided into the many cells, not only the two cells, in the many cells. So that is a multiple binary fission is called. That condition is a multiple binary fission. Chlamydomonas develop a protective covering when the conditions are unfavorable. So this covering is called cyst basically, and after that when the favorable conditions come, then it produce many daughter cells, not a single daughter cell, but it produce many daughter cells. Okay, so this is the multiple type of binary fission, but normally there are the binary fission is the only single cell produce two cells.